Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I wanted to do a video of the makeup that I've been using the past few weeks. I know it's been a little while since I've been on here making videos. I'm going to start with this Bareminerals. I'll show you what I've been doing for a complexion. This is the Bareminerals Complexion Rescue in 1.5 Birch. It has been really hot, and even with the heat, I've been trying to keep the base minimal, and I have been using a powder that I feel works really well in the summer, and I'll show you that powder. And it's different, it acts different in the winter time. So it's a powder that I've used in the winter before, but I never continued using it because it's just too drying, too mattifying. But in the summer for dry skin, it's absolutely perfect. If you use just a minimal amount, then it's absolutely perfect. So for the base, I haven't been loading up on product. I've just been trying to keep it pretty basic and thin and lightweight. I've been using this Nars Light Reflecting Eye Brightener in Night Swan. And this just adds a really nice layer under the eyes, and it feels really just refreshing, hydrating. I've really been enjoying that eye brightener in the summer. Again, it's such a different feeling compared to winter over here. I'm going to move on to, I'll do my powder later. I'm going to do the cream bronzer, and this is the Chanel cream bronzer. I just get a pretty dense brush. I really enjoy cream bronzers in the summer for some reason. It just helps them glide on a lot easier. Getting a little shiny now because it's warm already outside. The powder I'm going to use is the Ravie Beauty Pound Cake in the Easy Bake in the color Pound Cake. I know a lot of people don't like this because it's very heavy feeling on the skin, but I feel like it's only heavy if you're similar like me, if you're using it out of season, for one, because I have dry skin. You can't just be caking on the powder like everyone else does. You have to kind of use it sparingly and use it timely as well. So in the summer, because it's been really hot and you need something to hold back the oils, I get some powder on the brush like this, then I'll tap it into the hand and really just get it even and a little more light. And then I'll just go around the whole face and set the face, and it feels like really nothing on. It doesn't feel like your face is drying off like it does in the winter time. In the winter time, I prefer the Kosas powder so much more because it's very undetectable. But this one's detectable, but with good reason. You want to use it the right way, I suppose, if you are dry skin. I'm going to do my lips first. I usually do. I have been using the Ravie Beauty lipsticks ever since I got them. I'm going to apply this Hourglass lip liner in Tempt 3. And the color I'm going with today is Rose. I've been doing the bright lips in the summertime. I've been using it more like a stain, and on fair skin, I feel like that's the best look. The color itself is really beautiful, but it can be overdone as well. All right, just had to correct some of the lines there, but that is just such a beautiful color for the summer. I've been absolutely enjoying it, and I'm telling you, the formula is so nice. There's really nothing that compares to it, honestly. No other company out there does it this smooth and nourishing. I think nourishing is kind of the best feeling, the best way to describe when you put it on, your lips don't dry out as you use it. Other balm lipsticks, colored balms, whatever there are, they claim things, but it's just not the same, and they're not, you just don't get the same outcome. For blush, I am using Haus Labs in Pomelo Peach, which is one of my favorites. I get just a fluffy brush and then put it and it's just such a beautiful, I love that. For highlight, I'm still using the Ilia highlighter. Just adds just the right amount of sheen. Beautiful. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes. Absolutely love this palette. I'm using a little bit more towards a cooler mauve tone to tie it in with the lips, although it may not come off that way because I have golden olive skin tone. The golden always ends up warming the colors more than you think. I'm gonna do my brows really quick, and this is the Loreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill, and it's in the color Dark Brunette. And this one's really cool because it's made in Korea, and my last brow pencil that I really loved was a Korean brand. So this one makes me happy that I accidentally picked up a drugstore one. I just kind of randomly picked one up, and it happens to be made in Korea. I just have been underlining the brow and brushing it out, and that's it. It adds a little bit of something, like you've done something to the brows, but it's not so noticeable that it just stands out shockingly. I've also been doing just a little bit of an eyeliner, liquid liner wing. This is the Tarte Tartelette Tubing Mascara. And that is pretty much the look that I've been doing for the last few weeks. I've really been kind of switching it up with these Ravie Beauty lipsticks. I love them so much. The Dahlia one, I feel like this one and the Peony, they kind of look like Pillow Talk, but the way that you expect the original color to look on yourself, and it didn't. So the Ravie Beauty lipsticks, they look so much prettier, so much more flattering than the Pillow Talk lipsticks. I'm not talking about the lightest one. The Pillow Talk Fair is really, really pretty. I love that one, but the original just wasn't doing anything for olive skin people. So if you want to check out Ravie Beauty in Peony or Dahlia, those are very pretty, very flattering, and they feel the absolute best on the skin. There's just no describing it. You have to feel it for yourself, and then you just kind of, you feel good about reapplying it throughout the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am glad to be back. I always try my best to keep uploading content, and I hope you guys have a wonderful summer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.